Open InDesign, documents to Affinity Publisher, Quark Express, and InDesign. Open Adobe InDesign documents to Adobe Illustrator and PDF. Export InDesign documents to IDML, PDF, and JSON. Export InDesign documents to TIFF, PNG, and JPEG. Export Adobe InDesign to Microsoft Word, RTF, HTML, and text. Structure InDesign documents to JSON. Bridge the gap from Adobe InDesign documents to IDML. Visit Markzware.com today.
IDMarkz lets me open InDesign files anywhere instantly.